How to view the pictures on Messenger. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can view the pictures on Messenger. To see the pictures on Messenger, you can view them in your conversation history or browse to the shared media in a conversation. Here's how you can do it. Open your Messenger application on your device and find the conversation where the pictures were shared. Once you find the conversation, here scroll up through the conversation history to find the pictures. Also, you can tap on the picture to view it in a full screen. Also, if you didn't find the picture in this conversation, then you can simply tap on this I button at the very top, and then under more actions, scroll down there, you'll find view media, files and link. Click on this option and there you will find all the medias that you have shared in this conversation. You'll find the picture you want to view and tap on it to view it in a full screen. So that's how you can see pictures on Messenger. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.